Oh no, my glider teared. Well, I think I need to make another one. Hi guys, welcome to Edison World. I'm happy to make this video after a long time break. Today, I'm going to teach you what is a glider, parts of a hang glider, and you will make a hang glider. So now, let's think what is a glider. An object that flies through the air without an engine or an effort is called a glider. And this is a glider. This is a hang glider. Now we are going to learn the parts of a hang glider. So can you see the sticks? Not except the horizontal sticks. Leave it. You can see the 3 sticks here, here and here. They are the frame of the hang glider. Now this is the wing. The garbage bag is the wing of this hang glider. They will use a strong cloth for the wings and a material called aluminium for the frame. Now this is keel. This is the keel, and there will be a control bar over here, and there will be a harness. There where the person he controls his glider in the controlling bar. If he wants to turn left, all of his body will be going here. Like that in the right, all of his body will be in the right side. Now let's build a glider. So to build a glider, we need glue, tape, a cutter, scissors, marker, trash bag or plastic bag, a long size scale, and 3 sticks, and the template of the hang glider. Let's start building. Now let's take all the materials except the template and the glue. And the scale for cutting. Now, there are two papers like this. This is paper B and this is paper A. In the paper B, you can see there's a blank space over here. We are going to cut this black line, and I'll cut it now and I'll tell you what to do. Curly. I'm going to just take the scissors because there's some little bit of things that I don't know. So now I'm going to apply glue. Glue. Now, for the B template, paste it carefully, okay? Not in a hurry, not in a hurry. We are going to the Statue of Liberty. There's an important place. We're just going to do the glider, okay? Yes, that's all. Yep, finished. So the template looks like now a blueprint of a house that must break kisses. Now, let's take the sticks. The 3 sticks of ours, not all, except one. Let's break some things. Take the strong part of this. If I make this area, the wick will be like very flexible. See? Now I'm going to take the strong part over here. See carefully. The point over there till here. That's all. No more going up or down. Yep. One down. One more to go. Wait. One more to go. Same the strong part, okay? Not a weak part. Done. 2 6 done. Hey, is that similar? It is. Yeah. Okay. Now let's again check it if it's correct. Okay. For a double check. If you're wrong, then you just got it. See, I almost did it wrong. That's what's the power of double checking. I can cut it. No, I can cut it. Please. I have made a line with it. Oh, done. Okay. Let me just check. Yep, correct. Now, 36 centimeter only. Don't measure by the size of the vertical line. It's 36, okay? And no, here came this one. I'll just cut this extra bills from the current. Okay, so far so good. Now we need to just take our tape. Now we need to keep it in the area, taking the center streak, keeping in the center, taking my hands out and keep it here. Yep. I'm keeping here for all you. Now I'm going to do the anglet. So here, straight. No, it's not straight. Yeah. This is. You can take your time. There's no hurry. I'm going to London. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. This is the step. You need 3 hands. Okay, it's now done. Now another layer is strong. I told you. Slowly and steady. So far, so good. So far, so good. It's finished. This is the frame. We don't need this anymore. We need our garbage. Garbage. So the garbage, you have an opening and a closed area. In the closed area, you can just cut this area out. Because we are going to make it as a dress. Like a dress, not the dress. Now, open. Now I need my mom's help. Can you come and help? Just cut this. Come and cut, please. Take this nice area, spread it out nicely. Now take our frame, a frame. We're going to stick like this. Before that, we need to add glue. So I'm going to take my paper back side because we need it. And another important thing is for scale. Mark it for 30 centimeters. It's for a thing. If you don't do what I say, you're playing the glider with glass, not glass. I don't know why I said glass. Because the glider and the grass. Yeah. Take the glue. I have marked here right. So you need to just apply glue on the sticks on the center part till the marking only you should do. You're going to stick to the trash bag. Flip it. Tap. We will wait till it dries. And before this dries, let us do another thing. It's like a while. Before that, we can do another thing. In this vertical line, in this vertical line till this center, measure with the scale. It's 12 centimeters. So here is drying. I'll just wait a minute. See, it looks like the car factory, like swing. What did I say? The number? It's 12. Middle line for 12. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. And now let's take another stick. Oh my god, why all the sticks are down? What's the problem? Let's break it for the middle one. The middle line. Okay? Oh my god, wait. Let the car go here. Swing. That's a nice sound. Now, here. Now we are going to take this vehicle again to our spot. Now take your tape and your baby scissor. First take it and keep it somewhere easy to find. Now take the stick, line it over here. The rib, these are the ribs, I forgot to tell you. Teach you in the parts. Sawi, okay. And we'll just do a crosses. That's all. See? Oh my. Take another. Where is it? Cut it. Leave it. Paste it. Now let's cut. So I have done the top one, and the only one left is the bottom. And another thing, can you see this? The horizontal stick. You need to stick a tape in the stick that is over here and there. Okay? You need to take here and here to here. Like that you need to cut. Now I'm going to cut with the scale. And the last lastly vast too. See our beautiful hang glider. Oh my god. But the first time I made this hang glider, it was really tough. Now it's like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. And some sticking on here and there. Yep. This is our glider. It's bigger than it's for a fan if you don't have electricity. Now that's all about doing this. The glider is ready now. The only one thing we need to do is test. Ready, steady, go! Oh my god! It's in the doorstep. This is the room, okay? It's like we went landing in a pile of some stuff. That was my first thing seeing something that fly that far. So, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in next video.